Roofs began to creak and collapse under the weight as another storm brought the Buffalo area 3-day snowfall total Thursday to an epic 6 feet or more. Snow-weary residents of western New York were asked by Governor Andrew Cuomo to pretty please stay off slippery, car-clogged roads for another day.
Tonight, record-busting, back-breaking. Snow just keeps slamming the Northeast. In Rockland, Massachusetts, even this snow blower is struggling. This building nearby, caving in. Channel 5's Jack Harper right there.
7 workers inside at the time. They ran for their lives. They heard a big whoosh, and all of a sudden, the roof above them collapsed.
Thankfully, everyone got out in time.
Scary. It's like slow motion, watching the whole thing come down. It was really slow.
Experts say a foot of heavy snow on an average-sized roof can weigh up to 14 tons.
Part of the great Northeast.
Residents today scrambling to clear off their roofs, and icicles hanging past first-story windows. In Boston, 74 inches of snow so far this winter, more than Washington, Baltimore, Philadelphia, and New York City combined.